In this support video, we will be demonstrating how to install a trim kit for the French door refrigerator model 1974-35SG. The inside length between the two beams is 30 1/4 inches. The height from the base to under the first beam is 71 3/8 inches. The inside length is 20 1/2 inches. The base will be 27 1/2 inches by 30 1/4 inches. The height of the base from the ground to the top is 5 7/8 inches. The platform that will be placed on top of the base will be 29 1/2 inches and the length is 30 1/4 inches. The front lip of the platform is 29 3/4 inches in length. The front lip extends to 2 inches and is 3/4 inches in thickness. The lip gap is 1/5 inches. The total height from the floor to the top of the platform is 6 5/8 inches. The top beams are 7 7/8 inches. For proper air circulation, the platform cutout is 15 by 15 inches and the base opening should be 15 by 4 inches. When installing the outer frame, make sure the L-shaped cut sits on the platform. Screw in the outer frames. Make sure both outer frames are leveled before installing the top grille. Install the top grille by sliding it into the opening of the side frames. Screw in the top grille for each side. Before placing in the refrigerator, remember to plug it in first. Place your refrigerator into the trim frame and align it with the outer frame. Install the bottom grille by screwing it into place on both ends. Verify that the outer frame and your fridge is properly aligned. This completes your installation.